On a solemn Tuesday in the heart of Moscow, the Kremlin witnessed a familiar scene. President Vladimir Putin, now embarking on his new six-year term. But this ceremony, typically a showcase of international diplomacy, was marked by absences. The United States and several Western nations chose to boycott, condemning Russia's actions in Ukraine. Since 1999, Putin has been a dominant figure in Russian politics, but it's his recent moves in Ukraine that have drawn global scrutiny. Over 2 years ago, Russian forces surged into Ukrainian territory, claiming control and pushing further into the east. Putin, steadfast in his resolve, sees this as defending Russia's interests against Western interference. Sergei Chemezov, a close ally of Putin, echoes this sentiment, emphasizing stability as Putin's hallmark. Despite Western disapproval, Chemezov asserts that Putin's leadership is vital for Russia's continuity. Putin's recent electoral victory in March was marred by controversy. Opposition figures, including Alexei Navalny, were barred from running. Navalny's sudden death in custody sent shockwaves through the international community, raising questions about political repression in Russia. The United States, joined by Britain, Canada, and many European nations, opted to boycott Putin's inauguration. While acknowledging his presidency, they refused to endorse an election they deemed neither free nor fair. However, France stood apart, sending its ambassador to the ceremony. The decision reflects the delicate balance of international relations where condemnation and engagement intertwine. Meanwhile, Ukraine sees Putin's inauguration as a farce, condemning his prolonged grip on power and labeling Russia an aggressor state. For them, the event symbolizes the consolidation of a dictatorship. As the world watches from afar, the Kremlin stands as a fortress of power where Putin's presidency continues amidst international scrutiny and domestic consolidation. The path ahead remains uncertain, with Russia and the West locked in a geopolitical standoff that shows no signs of abating. Now, what do you think? This inauguration is the continuation of leadership or dictatorship? Tell us in the comments below.